Hey everyone, my name is Dulce and welcome back to my channel. Today we're going to be doing something that is very exciting to me and I've been waiting to do for like 2 weeks now, I think. Yeah. We're going to be unboxing the James Charles Pallet. I got it in the mail. I was bawling my eyes out. I was so excited to use it. And the day has come for the tutorial. Okay, so more than anything, here is the palette. Are you guys ready? Because I'm ready. 1, 2, 3. Okay, this palette is very huge. As you can see, it's like almost the size of my head.
Stupida.
Probably a little bit bigger than my head. This is what it looks like.
Wow.
Ready? This is so cute. We're just going to go ahead and create something with the palette. All right, first of all, before I do anything with the palette, I'm going to go ahead and do my eyebrows off camera, and I will be right back in probably 3 seconds to you, but probably 20 minutes for me. Bye. Okay guys, I am back and I went ahead and I did my eyebrows obviously, and then I also put concealer on my eyelids so we can conceal.
I'm concealing all the bullshit away.
Let me just open it up, and this is what I want to create. Okay, so we're gonna go ahead and grab my eyeshadow brush. This is the It Brushes for Ulta Flawless All Over Shadow that came in the little It kit. I think I'm gonna get the yellow, which is called B. This one right here. Anyways, I'm gonna go ahead and put it right up here above the crease line, like close to the brow bone but not the brow bone. And we're just gonna pack it on first. I'm literally grabbing a little bit at a time. Like, this might look like a lot, but I'm literally like dabbing it on and then onto my eye. It's kind of crazy, not even gonna lie. Next color that we're going to go into, and it's this orangey shade right up here, and then we're gonna come not on the yellow but a little bit lower, like right here I want to say, so we can still see the yellow but see the orange as well. Pack it on as well. So that's what it looks like right now. Okay, now what we're gonna do is we're gonna grab this one, and it's called Rusted. It's right next to 518, this one right here. And then we're gonna put it on the crease right here. Okay, I think that looks good for now. We're gonna go ahead and blend our eye. Okay, and then I'm gonna be using my blending brush that I've been using for the longest time, and I've also used in my last video. It's the Wet n Wild blending brush. She's beaten up, but she still works so fine. So we're gonna go ahead and lightly blend out. Now what we're going to be doing is we're gonna cut our crease. Actually, no. I think I'm going to do like a sunset kind of vibe, but like a dark sunset, if you know what I mean. I think so we're gonna go in and to this red color, and it's called You're Kidding. You're Kidding. Oh, I think this is like the pure red shade that James was talking about. Not pure red, but it was like red, like you're kidding red. So we're gonna come in to the crease. Okay, I think that looks good. Now we're going to go in with the color. It's called Love That. We love that. And put it right down here to deepen up like the crease area. So far, I'm really liking this palette. Like, this is so pigmented. Like, no offense to my palette. Take me back to Brazil, but I feel this palette is truly pigmented. Like, oh my god. Like, now what we're going to do, we are going to cut our crease, and we're going to do that with our smudge brush by Elf, and we are going to go in and grab our Tarte Shape concealer. Don't make fun of me, I know it's small. I got this from my Ipsy subscription bag. Okay, so we're going to go ahead and cut our crease, and I'm going to start right here. Alright, once our crease is already done and finished and cut, we are going to not set it. We're going to leave it just like that. We're going to grab our palette again, open it up, and I think I want to do... Okay, I think we're going to do the shade called Sister, and it's this like light pink shimmer shade. Okay, we're going to go ahead and grab our flat brush right here. And I don't know what brand this is, but it says the crease, and I'm going to use it for my crease, so it works. Okay, we're going to be getting this shade right here. It's called Sister, and it's like a light pink shimmer shade. So we're going to be grabbing our Morphe M433 brush, and we're going to be going with Love That, which is that one magenta shade. We're gonna go ahead and blend the crease to the outer crease. I have an idea, actually. I think I'm going to go in with the really pretty purple that everybody seems to really love, and it's called Artistry. That is actually really stunning. Here, I'm going to swatch it for you because I feel like you deserve to see it. So this is what it looks like. Oh my god. This is... I can't even believe this. No. Literally, this is so... Oh my god. I have no words. Okay, we're gonna grab the Love That color, the magenta color, and we're still deepening our crease. First, I'm going to do my under eye, and I'm going to be grabbing, we're going to do a Love That, since like, I feel like it would pop, so let's try it. And then I think I'm going to also incorporate a little bit of pink, so I will be grabbing the color Skip, which is this very hot pink in the palette. So we're gonna dab it on. I'm gonna put it like right here. Okay, now we're going to be grabbing our NYX glitter brilliance, it's called. And in my first video I used the gold shade, and now I have the pink shade. And we are going to be using our lash glue, and this time I have a different one called Kiss Strip Lash Adhesive with Aloe. And supposedly it's really good, so I think I'm going to place the glitter down here, like kind of like a wing, but not a wing. So we're gonna be grabbing our little precision brush. It's called a concealer brush, but it's a really tiny one by e.l.f. And then we're gonna go ahead and grab some of our glitter, and we're just gonna place it down here. Go back again, and we're going to put in a little bit more glue in these other areas. I think we're gonna put it right here. Again, we're going to go in. I'm gonna put some there and some. What do you guys think? Now we're gonna go ahead and apply our lashes. So we're gonna be using the Too Faced Better Than Sex mascara. We're gonna obviously open it up, and we're going to put it on our lashes. I think that's good. Now we're gonna wait till it dries a little bit, and then we're gonna be coming back. Okay guys, we are back, and we're going to go ahead and put on our falsies. We're gonna be grabbing our Kiss strip adhesive. Okay, we're gonna let it settle in, and then we're going to be curling it with our eyelash curler. So we're gonna go in, and we're going to please. This is what it looks like. What do you guys think? Okay, enough with this, and I'm going to go finish the other eye, and then I'll let you guys know about the final look. Are you guys ready for the finished look? 1, 2, 3. I literally love it so much. Like, I fell in love with this idea. Okay, anyways, thank you for watching. If you got this far, like, comment, subscribe, turn on the little bell so you can get notified, to the next video that I post, and let me know of other ideas that you want me to do. But this one was my favorite and turned out amazing. So see you guys next time. Bye.